Do you have a strategy for foreign filing? Do you, let's say, how do you decide as to, yes, this needs to be filed elsewhere as well? How do you decide it? How do you decide on the countries? Is it the budget? Is it the business goals? What is the decision making behind, let's say, your strategy in filing of patents outside of India?
So I'll put it in a simple acronym for this, just for the better of understanding. We call it as patent itself, where the first P stands for the prioritization part. Okay. You need to identify markets which are of high revenue potential markets for you. So that maybe you can understand the customer base there and how the revenue is going to be. Basis that you need to prioritize the markets for you. So that is the first point. Then comes the A stands for affordability.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how, because if you look at the overall patent system across the globe, you will find like every country
has different
their
pricing,
own pricing for all these legislative things. So you need to understand like where is it that I'm going to play and am I affording this cost? So am I okay to maintain this throughout the lifetime? So that is the next thing that any company will have to look out for. Then comes the T. T stands for the timeline factor.
Right.
Okay. So at what point in time I have to go ahead and protect it. Okay. So that is also very crucial for anything. Then comes the ecosystem part of it. The ecosystem is about right now. It's not about what countries I'm going to launch the product. Where am I going to have my manufacturing base?
Correct. Yeah, this makes sense because from what you are talking about is, let's say, even though I may not have let's say, I'm not selling a product in China as such, but it makes sense to file it in China, get a patent granted in China, that there are no other manufacturers who are going to actually copy a product in China. In that way, you can really stop them from manufacturing the product itself in, let's say, manufacturing countries themselves.
Okay. And for E also, I have one other thing on enforceability factor.
Right. Makes
because
very crucial.
Many times they blindly take a decision of okay, we file, these are the market countries, we just go ahead
and file it.
But if it comes to the enforceability, many of the IPs lies in the black box. Again, enforceability needs to be looked at from two perspectives. One is your own technology perspective, whether you can visibly see
and enforce it, right?
Or the system there or the regulatory norms there is having a supportive environment for this enforcement.
Yes.
So you need to look from both these perspectives to understand whether it is really making sense for you to go ahead and fight. So that's to put it in a nutshell. Like these are the different things that we need to look out for.
Very good feedback on this. Yeah.